Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel and happy Sunday. In today's video, I just wanted to show you some projects that I'm working on. The first one is with my Shuttle Art color pencils, and I am using the Strathmore color pencil workbook or sketchbook, and I am coloring in this cardinal. So I drew it out, and I'm in the process of blending it out here a little bit in the background. I have some green, and in this area around the cardinal, I have a little bit of like an olivey yellow underneath. So you can see where it's been blended here and here where the white of the paper still shows. I'm not sure if I'm going to just leave it in the book or maybe cut it out and mail it out maybe to someone. So, but that's what I'm working on here with the color pencils. I've also been doing a little bit of doodling. You may have seen in that Saturday Morning Makes video the mandala that I've been working on and had completed. So I bought a couple of bullet journals. It was a 2-pack at Hobby Lobby. And I actually like this paper because it's much smoother than the mixed media book that I had used for the mandala. It was a little bit rough on the markers, and I'm using this Master's Touch, which is again the Hobby Lobby brand, and in various sizes. They have the size here on the caps. So just some doodling. I'm not sure if anyone's familiar with, I guess it's called neurographic art, where you just swirl around the page, and then wherever the lines connect, it's kind of like that neurons, I suppose. So you just kind of do that. You can color it in. I just left it blank, but it was fun to do. Again, just some doodling pages. I've been looking at some videos on Zentangle and Zendoodles and mandalas and borders, as well as some books. And so I'm just practicing that, and I like the way these look, but again, I have to practice more just to get ideas. I thought I would put them in this book. I like this. Here I used a little bit of graphite pencil to make a little bit more of shadows. Again, just practicing some different tangles that I might want to use in the future for some larger Zen doodles. And this is kind of fun because even if I'm just, let's say Tom is watching TV and I just, have my pens and the sketchbook, and I can go ahead and just practice that. Or even if I'm on a break at work. Oh, one other thing I just wanted to mention. When I got this, yesterday Tom and I were at our local, I guess you could call it Natural History Center, and I found this book on birds of Arizona, a field guide by Stan Tekiela, and it's small and compact, but it does have a lot of nice clear pictures, and I thought this would be kind of cool to use either in more pencil drawings, maybe just regular ink or charcoal drawings, as well as watercolor. They had other books on flowers and butterflies, but they were either tiny little pictures or just outlines of birds. Oh, here, for example, are the Gambel's quail. We get quite a few of these here, pretty much I think in all of Arizona, whether it's north or south. But I don't know if you've seen videos on the little baby chicks with the quails in our backyard. So looking forward to using that. And also, not sure if anyone's heard of reverse coloring book. I ordered some coloring books from Amazon, and they sent me some recommendations. So I thought I would just search on YouTube to see, if anyone else has done reviews on them, before even maybe investing in it. So just want to have you take a look to see what it looks like. So just going to go to my laptop. So here's, for example, I've watched, I think they have a few different types of reverse coloring books out there. But this one is from this YouTuber. She's reviewing it. And I think there's a couple other YouTubers that have them that are reviewing it. So what it is that the background is already there for you, and then you're just taking your markers and doodling on the page, whatever you feel like doing. So I thought what I would do is sort of make my own page and see what it looked like. So here's a watercolor sketchbook that I bought at Hobby Lobby. It's actually a larger size than what they normally used to sell. So I have quite a few of these. This is actually the first one that I have completed. Actually, that's a brand new one. So I actually have one more page left in this one here. And maybe I'll do a tour of this sketchbook at some point in time. But I used it to test out different hearts for the collab, the Secret Valentine collab that I participated in. So I decided to go with the negative drawing here. But anyway, this is the larger size. So I bought, I think, maybe 2 or 3 of these just to have. And so what I did is I used Dr. P.H. Martin's paints on this page, and I used kind of the browns and blues and greens here to kind of give it like an underwater feel is what I was getting. So I doodled in here the snail, some flowers, maybe sea anemones, some silly looking, funny looking seahorses, but hey, it's doodling, right? Some little ducklings, a jellyfish, flowers, maybe seaweed, a clam, and coral here. So, and every once in a while I come back to that, and then again just doodling more into this sketchbook, which again, maybe once I'm done with it, I'll go ahead and I'll give a tour. But I don't know again if anyone's heard of a reverse coloring book, but I did like this, so I'm enjoying, coming to this and working on it. So that's pretty much about it. I'm hoping to keep if not a daily practice of creating and working on inspirational things that come to me, but maybe, again, daily would be nice, but maybe every other day. And looking forward to, seeing what I come up with, and maybe do a tutorial every now and then. So I hope you subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.